Right now, while you're watching this video, someone just got paid without working. No boss, no office, no alarm clock. Their money moved while they slept. Their investments rebalanced automatically. Their bills paid themselves. And an AI handled the rest. This isn't the future. This is already happening for a small group of people who understood something early. And here's the terrifying part. If you don't understand what they understood, the gap between you and them will double within the next 5 years. But what separates them from everyone else isn't luck. It's not even income. It's something much simpler and much darker. Stay with me, because what comes next might change how you think about money forever. Here's what most people believe. They believe the future of money is somewhere out there. A distant thing. A techie thing. Something for Silicon Valley. So they wait. They keep depositing their paycheck into the same savings account that's been earning 0.01% interest since 2009. They keep swiping their credit card. They keep doing what their parents taught them. And look, that advice made sense once. But the financial system has fundamentally changed. And almost nobody told the average person. The banks quietly introduced high-yield savings accounts paying 5%. AI-powered investing tools became free. Automated budgeting replaced the spreadsheet your dad used. Instant global transfers made wire fees extinct. The game updated. But most people are still playing by the old rules. And that right there is how the wealth gap widens, while everyone is busy being responsible. Meet Marcus. Marcus is 28. Lives in Dallas. Makes $62,000 a year. By every measure, he's doing fine. He has a steady job. A decent apartment. A car payment he tells himself is reasonable. Every month, Marcus saves about $200. He puts it in his Chase savings account. He feels good about that. But here's what Marcus doesn't know. That $200 sitting in his 0.01% account, it's actually losing value every year to inflation. Meanwhile, his coworker Jordan, same salary, same city, is doing something different. Jordan automated $200 into a high-yield savings account earning 4.8%. She set up a $100 automatic investment into a diversified ETF every 2 weeks. She used a free AI budgeting tool to eliminate $180 in subscriptions she forgot she had. Same income. Same city. 10 years later, Marcus has $25,000 saved. Jordan has built over $80,000 in assets, and her money is still growing on its own. Same money. Completely different system. The question isn't how much you earn. The question is, what system is your money running on? So why didn't Marcus change? It's not laziness. And it's not ignorance. It's something called status quo bias. Your brain is wired to protect the current situation, even when the current situation is slowly failing you. Change feels risky, even when staying the same is more risky. And then there's something else, hedonic adaptation. Every time Marcus got a raise, his lifestyle inflated to match it. New car. Better apartment. Nicer restaurants. His income grew, but the gap between what he earned and what he kept, that never changed. This is the silent wealth killer that never makes the news. Because it doesn't feel like failure. It feels like success. You get the raise. You upgrade your life. You feel like you're winning. But your net worth stays flat, year after year, while the financial system quietly evolves around you. Here's the truth. Nobody says out loud. The future of money isn't about earning more. It's about automating better. The wealthiest people in America aren't smarter. They just build systems that work while they don't. And here's what's changed. For the first time in history, those systems are now available to everyone. Free robo-advisors, AI financial planners, high-yield accounts, automated investing apps. The tools that used to cost thousands in financial advisor fees, they're sitting in your app store right now, free. The future of money isn't coming. It's already here. The only question is, are you using it? Here's what you can do this week. Not this year. This week. 1. Move your savings. If your savings account is earning less than 4%, move it to a high-yield account today. Marcus lost thousands by waiting. You don't have to. 2. Automate your investing. Set up an automatic transfer, even $50 every 2 weeks, into a low-cost index ETF. You won't miss the money. But your future self will thank you for it. 3. Run an audit on your subscriptions. The average American spends $219 a month on subscriptions they barely use. Use a free AI budgeting tool. Cut the invisible leaks. 4. Stop treating your savings account like an investment. Cash saved is not wealth built. Real wealth grows. Idle cash shrinks. 5. Automate the boring stuff. Bill payments. Investment contributions. Savings transfers. Every financial task you automate is one less decision that drains your willpower, and one more system working for you while you sleep. Systems beat willpower. Every single time. Marcus and Jordan didn't start with different salaries. They started with different systems. The people who will be wealthy in 10 years aren't out there working harder right now. They're quietly building machines, small, automated, invisible machines that compound while the world sleeps. The future of money doesn't care how hard you hustle. It rewards who built the better system. So the real question isn't whether the future of money is here. It's whether you are ready for it.